Struggling to keep up with LinkedIn posts, you are not alone. Most AI tools promises the world but leave you frustrated and overwhelmed. That's why I stopped using 10 plus tools and only rely on this one now. It saved me and my clients countless hours while boosting engagement. Today I'll show you exactly how Marky AI works and why it's the only tool you need. Plus I've got a special 30-day free trial plus a 50% discount link waiting for you in the description. Stick around to see how it transformed an insurance company's LinkedIn presence in just minutes. Most LinkedIn tools create more problems than they solve. Think about it like tools for content, another for engagement, one for scheduling. Each one requires separate login, different workflows, and hours of setup. One recruiter I worked with spent 3 hours every week just switching between these tools, copying content from one platform to another, and what's worse is that most platforms rarely work together. A study found 60% of the professionals abandon LinkedIn tools within a month because managing them becomes really tough. One of my clients tested three different tools at once. Their engagement dropped by 40% because they couldn't keep up with all the moving parts. The content was really decent, but the process was just unsustainable. That's exactly why I switched to one tool, that's Marky AI. Instead of five tabs open, I have one dashboard that handles content ideation, writing, scheduling, and analytics. The difference isn't just convenience, it's about reclaiming every hour, every week while getting better results. Most professionals don't realize their wasted efforts jumping between tools when one solution can do it all. Marky AI solves to connect all the problems. I'll just show you in a second. But before that, most platforms you see specializes in just content creation or post image generation or just engagement tracking. But Marky AI combines everything with analytics. That remember, like one of my insurance client, they went from struggling to post once a week to consistently posting 15 high quality posts all through this one dashboard. And today let's get started and I'll show you how it works. You just need a website URL. Today we are creating an account for them, insurance agent. So here is one. This is our agency account, and all you need to do once you get the access to this particular account, you'll be let to know in the free trial. You can just play around and explore this particular tool and everything. And all you need to include is just your website, and if you don't have a website you can write a description about yourself and a business and it just starts creating. So I just create that. And also the key difference, it learns how your brand is and your brand voice. Unlike generic templates, viral post replicator, Marky analyzes your past content, maintains your unique tone. One client's engagement jumped 340% because their posts finally sounded authentic rather than AI generated. It learns your brand as well as determine the target, understands your business and everything. And also you get three features working together, that is content generation with industry specific insights. It learns about your industry as well. So and scheduling as well as performance analytics that update in real time. Other tools make you each piece in different ways through multiple workarounds, but not like this tool. So the dashboard suggests now it creates different topics along different, and I have three advanced features to tell you as well. Before we'll just see how you can use this particular tool, and then later, like I'll show you advanced tools over here, how you can create one class post, means first class posts with proper your business images and everything you'll be getting in this particular tool. So it's creating still post, and once it's there you can edit it via AI and also a lot of things. So it has created a lot of posts over here. See here, it's creating carousel posts, it's creating so wonderful posts here, man. Guys, it has used the logo, the brand, everything that is important, and I'll show you how to expand it at another level itself. What we are doing in our agency is it's mind blowing for everyone. So it has created carousel post as well. Everything high quality posts, high quality. If you want to edit this as well, you can edit this using AI. For suppose you can write it, make it more professional. and just click on modify and it will be creating more modified posts for you. And once you are done, and you can also edit this design, so it has created more better post, more professional as well. And if you want to edit anything here, you can always do it. So here is everything, and later you can save and close. You can explore it. There's a free trial as well to explore all of these tools. So once you save this particular post, then you will be getting as well, like you need to schedule it right now. So the scheduling happens really easy. So it's once you click on schedule, it just goes on in your calendar to post. But you need to connect a social. So where you need to go is business and socials. Here you'll be finding LinkedIn as well to connect with all the posts. Now I'll come to three important features that you can take this tool to the next level to create high quality posts that you never imagined that could be possible with this tool. The first one is the library. You can add as many 20,000 images that AI can use to create more refined posts for your business. Of course, it uses its own, but you can add in to get in more fine tuned to your business. And also memory. Let's say you can add in more memory related to your industry. You read an article and it's more relevant, and you need to content around that particular tool or post or article, and you can just add in the text or URL or PDF as well. So this is the thing that you get. And the second feature, that is, you can add in more topics over here. So it has created the content pillars, meaning that if there is a content pillar about like auto insurance tips, it creates a content regularly based on that particular thing. And if you need to add in more topic related to that as well, you can always add in more topics and description as well for this feature. Helps a lot when you are more refined and you know a few things about your business. Then you can create amazingly wonderful posts using this. And not only that, now comes the third feature, that is you can change the scheduling. That's what we give with the pro plan to you guys. So in the description you can check out the more details. So here if you see, you can add in more time, you can add in adjust a lot of things. This is scheduling that you can do with the proper recommended times. And AI automatically refines the posts over time. So what's next? So go ahead and sign up through the discount link in the description. This discount link isn't available anywhere else. Normally, Marky AI costs $49 per month, but through this link in the description, you'll pay just $15 a month with a 30-day trial available for you. So the reason is we are Marky Agency, as you can see, to pass along better deals to you guys and our audience. So you get 30 free posts to test this tool before committing. One financial advisor client gained 53 connections in their first week just by using these free posts. That's the advantage of having everything in one place. No more bouncing between tools or wasting times on setup. The catch is that the offer expires anytime. Check if the web page is working. Click in the description and sign up if it is available even right now. So our one insurance client we looked earlier signed up through this similar deal. Now they have tripled their post frequency without spending extra time. They are posting 3 times more. This isn't just about saving money, it's about getting a tool that actually works without the usual headaches. No more juggling logins, guest posting, or like also tweaking the content, because AI does it everything for you. Everything from drafting to scheduling happens in a spot with your brand voice logged in. The link below gives you instant access to the discount plus 30 free to posts. So most tools make you pay upfront before testing properly, but Marky lets you try for free. Ready to simplify your LinkedIn workflow? One click gets you started, and you can create your first post in under 5 minutes. After seeing how it works, you'll be wondering why you ever used anything else. If you are still juggling multiple tools or LinkedIn, so today is your chance to simplify. Marky AI handles everything in one place so you can focus on results instead of logins. Click the link below to grab your 50% discount before it expires in 7 days. I have seen clients go from struggling with content to posting daily without stress. The secret: using one tool that actually works instead of five that complicates all the things. Thank you for watching. I am excited to hear about Marky, how it transforms your business and LinkedIn game. Drop a comment when you are starting seeing some better engagement. Now go claim your discount and post your first content in just next 5 minutes. Bye bye.